Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the brick rod. This highly sought-after fishing rod and fish offers impressive stats and a unique passive ability. Obtaining it involves a series of intricate puzzles and quests, so preparation is key. You'll need to have accumulated at least 22 hours of playtime in the game. Additionally, ensure you have $13,337 ready for the final purchase. Let's dive into this. To begin your quest, first, visit the Innkeeper in Desolate Deep and set your spawn point there. Next, you must find and interact with 3 hidden bricks scattered across different islands. These bricks are crucial for progressing. Simultaneously, search for 2 secret codes. One is a word and the other is a 3-digit number. Gather essential items like a pufferfish, a smokescreen totem, and a sundial totem, as these will be vital for later steps. If mixing isn't your preference, many marker brands offer excellent pre-made medium gray options. Look for markers explicitly labeled medium gray or those with numerical designations, such as N5 or C5, indicating a neutral or cool gray at a medium value. These numbers often range from 0 to 10, with 5 typically representing a true medium. Always swatch new markers on your intended paper to confirm the color before committing to your project. If all previous steps are completed correctly, Minish will teleport you to a hidden room. Here, you can finally purchase the brick rod for $13,337. This powerful Stage 4 fishing rod boasts 75% luck, 35% resilience, and an impressive 200 meters of line distance. Its unique passive ability guarantees a 1.1 times multiplier on all fish cell values, making it a truly rewarding acquisition for any angler.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.